Are you depressed today, motherfucker?
Music with your status.
My methods are only controversial to those who lack imagination.
Here we go. It is the lovely time of 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and I wake up earlier for paintball than I do for a real job. I got multiple pants on because paintball's hurt. I made sure to get these sketches for paintball because they can get a better grip than I've ever been able to in the past 26 years. This video is sponsored by Bark LLC. So, yeah, we're gonna throw balls of paint at each other. Because what kind of man secretly doesn't want that? I'm not trying to become or wanting to become a paintball or airsoft channel. I just really like the sport. And yes, I do sports. It's super hard to believe, I know. The worst part about paintball is how long it takes to get there. The best part about how long it takes to get there is the view. Like, look at this town. It looks like Yeehaw Town. And as you know from the other paintball videos, you know you're close when it feels like you're about to get eaten by a bear. This area is emptier than my Discord server. Please, take some time and join the server. Make me feel like I'm not wasting my time. And look at that. We arrived.
How we doing today, sir?
How you doing?
All right, good day to play paintball.
Yep. Yo. We're currently in Skirmish Paintball. I'm almost ready. I gotta set up. About to unload on these right now. First map we go to is this area called Cages because, you know, it has a lot of cages. We play 2 rounds of this map with each round switching sides. Here we go, son. You ready, Levi Squad?
Round 1. Fight.
I'll tell you one thing, because this was the first round, it was safe to say we got destroyed very easily. And believe me, referees know this. They usually pick the smallest map for us to warm up in before we get to bigger maps. Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey! And just like that, we had to walk out to the safe zone.
I didn't see that. Not at all.
First dripping. First game. I'm gonna come back.
And trust me, all people usually need is a warm-up.
You got onesies.
Round 2. Fight.
In this round, we started on the other side. While Los pushed up and hid behind cover, I was responsible for sniping and spotting. They're coming from the left. Red hoodie in the middle. One on the left. I got so used to spotting enemies, I started using time. One's in the left, 11 o'clock. So because we were stationed in one place and the enemy team started picking us one by one on the other side of the map, some of them got ballsy and decided to push forward and go for one kamikaze attack. Hey! I got him. We lost out of the game. It was only a matter of time until they got the rest of us. They're coming. And with the rest of us that are being cornered like rats, there's only one thing to do.
New teammates acquired. New weapons acquired.
One's coming on the right. Yeah, somebody's holding, bro. And that's why I hate transporting the cold dimension, because the cold really fucks with the air in the tank. You end up having to refill so much more than ever. And with that, it's time to go back. Oh, check. Hey. The next map we go to, you might remember it from one of the old videos from years ago.
Map 2 on Earth begin.
In this map, we finally got some actual cover. The worst part is that because it rained the day before, the landscape was pretty much mostly muddy.
Oh, this is bad. Los, we gotta move back.
The biggest disadvantage we had on this map was that their side was a lot more drier than our side. So we thought it'd be a great idea to lure them closer to our spawn point so the mud could lower their mobility.
Go. They're pushing.
At this point, this whole tactic is becoming a disadvantage to us. While they're pushing more and more, they're taking out more of our squad. I stayed alive until the very last minute until I started running out of air and ammo. And at that point, I just had to leave.
Totally out. Get out. Hold up. What the f happened to my gun? Yo, what the fuck, dude? Look out over there.
Bruh. Man down. Damn. Why'd you run though?
Cause I'm fat.
You were right.
Oh, yeah.
Today was going way too good. Something bad had to happen, and it had to happen in this map. Whenever people get ready to play paintball, they're like meteorologists. They're checking the weather every single minute to make sure it doesn't change when it says it's gonna be sunny the day we go.
Map 3, cargo.
In this map, things get extremely intense. While Los and the other teammate go to one cargo box, me and my other teammate go to a second cargo box, and we split in two-man teams.
Oh, bitch. Holy shit.
And as you could tell by Los's reaction, he went to the wrong cargo box.
Go. I'm hit.
And before we even reached a minute in the game, he was already out. If my man wasn't so hard-headed and we all stuck together, we would have probably won.
No, right there. The container. Oh, that side. Yeah. Left. Run the left. He's right there. Fuck. He's right there, left, right, on your right.
Headshot.
He's in that one. Look out. Careful. Guys, look out.
We've been so busy trying to hold down the line on one side, we forgot what happens behind us. Behind.
On your gun. Oh, on your gun.
Match set. Game over.
Finally, a match I haven't died in.
Iron all the way on the left, bro. Fuck you.
This next map is called Tunnels and is considered one of the worst maps in this game. It's so close quarter combat that it's actually against the rules to shoot inside the tunnel. In this map, if you're not agile, you're gonna get killed instantly.
I fucked that up. Look out. Get out. Left, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Oh! All right, I'm hit. Right there.
You're a sniper. This map sucks! Finally, throughout this entire video, Lost got a kill.
Yo, check red mask.
Who? Red mask?
Finally, a map where Lost doesn't die. Honestly, in this map is where you dump all of your smoke grenades, because that's the only way you can move without getting shot everywhere. We played 2 rounds of this map, but in the second round, I ended up losing a lot of air. So I just gave up after there wasn't enough air to shoot the gun.
I'll take some crossfire. I like crossfire.
Final map. N Meckesville.
This is the map everybody wants to play in at the end of the day. And this map is so big, they usually get 2 different squads from 2 different referees into one big team battle. This game is like a spawn team deathmatch. So basically this is like if you get hit, you can just respawn and it'll last until the timer ends. The enemy team decided to conquer the castle for their advantage, so we decided to flank them. Little did we know they were trying to do the same to us.
Yeah, straight. Oh, hit.
And after getting embarrassed like that, it's time to do another phase shift. And with the sound of the air tank getting lower and lower, it's time to go back.
Where they at? That's it, game?
Well, that was a waste of a smoke grenade. I also forgot to mention we got 2 rounds of this.
Round 2. Fight.
Yo, you flanking?
Should we?
But of course. While trying to push up, I end up breathing the smoke grenade. It feels like a burning sensation to vomit. Now look where it lands.
Cover me. I see. Smoke's covering us. Want me to throw another one?
No, why'd you do that?
Hurry up. There we go.
Yo, give me cover fire on 3. I'm gonna try to make it to the castle.
That was a better smoke grenade throw than what you see in Gears. I love when the game's over, but I don't know that the game's over.
Oh, it's done?
At the end of the day, we decided to dump out all of our paint because most of us weren't coming back. And if you're wondering how I got that footage in the snow, it's because I came back in December with my girlfriend and a few other friends, and it was the worst thing in the world. We were supposed to come with 30 people, but because it was in the snow, it was just unwalkable.